Good day and welcome to Chart Trading Pro's Video of the Week. This is Sam and this week's training topic is risk versus reward. Now when I'm talking to other traders or students about risk versus reward, the first word actually of risk versus reward is risk. And when I'm looking at entering a trade, that is one of the first things I think about. What is going to be my risk? It's not reward versus risk, it's risk versus reward. So, currently I have a chart up, a 15-minute chart on the pound yen, and I'm going to give an example of taking a trade long. Now there is no methodology behind some of the examples I'm about to show you. I'm just using the chart as an example to demonstrate the risk versus reward and what goes through my head upon a trade. So currently price is at 142.17, indicated here by this blue line going across. You can see the candle is actually moving short. We're going to put a long trade in. So I'm going to use horizontal lines to mark off my entries, exits, and demonstrate the risk versus reward. So current price is 142.15. We're going to go long on this trade, and I'm going to say that 142.25 is going to be my entry point. And we're going to use a red line to say when price comes up to 142.25, we will be in the trade. That is the price I'm going to pay, give or take a pip or two, for this currency, the pound yen. Right now we're off by about 8 pips, so if that comes up, we'll be in this trade. That's my entry price. So that's the first thing I think about when I'm taking a trade. Where am I going to enter at? 142.25 is my price on this example. So what is going to be my risk? Well, I'm going to take another line here, and depending on what your methodology is, you would put what you're going to lose and get out with is. On this example, I'm going to say 142.05, and I am going to change that to a black line. So if price comes up to 142.25 and catches us and comes down to 142.05, that's not my stop necessarily, but that's where I'm going to cut my losses and get out. I'm giving it 20 pips of a loss. That's what I'm willing to lose. That's my risk. When I take this trade, I'm going to give up 20 pips. So what's my reward going to be? Well, typically ratios are 2 to 1. If they're more than that, then it's a pretty good trade. So we're going to put that 25 is our entry point. So we're going to give up 20 pips. We need to get 40 pips out of this trade. That would be the first target. We're actually going to change this color. Instead of black, we'll say purple. And that'll be our first target. So again, we're going to enter at 142.25. We're going to get out at 142.05 with a loss, or we're going to get out at 142.65 with a profit. And that's the 2 to 1 ratio. Now the other part of this trade is, if I'm going to take it, I have to think and know what is the potential for price to not only come up and get me in, but what is the potential to take it to my target. If that potential is not there, then I'm merely taking this trade and I'm going to give up my risk, what I'm putting out there to lose. So that is a brief summary of the definition of risk reward and the 2 to 1 ratio you want to have when you're taking a trade. Next, we're going to look at another type of risk versus reward that I personally think you really can't lose. So speaking of risk versus reward, if you go to www.charttradingpros.com, this is the new homepage that will come up, and if you scroll down about a quarter of the way, there is some information about our no bull risk-free way to learn to trade the markets. That's right, risk-free. There is no guarantee that you'll be successful, and you shouldn't be paying for training that does not offer you the opportunity to change your life for the better. Since we are teachers who trade, we can offer a refund on our training if it doesn't teach you how to make money trading the markets. Now, this includes serious work on your part and an investment of time and money. And if you do what we teach you to do, and you don't have the opportunity to make that money back, that tuition money back, we will return it to you. Now, you can also scroll down a little bit more, and there's an area where you plug in your name and email address, and we will send you the link to our live chart room where we trade live. And we can even tell you and show you how to open up a demo account so you can follow along. You know, you can even trade. It's a demo account. You know, you're actually not going to make money on it, but for a week, if you want to do that and watch us and trade the demo account and see that you can make money doing this, you'd take the class, you'd pay for the tuition, we would train and teach you, and after 10 weeks, you can't make that tuition money back, we would offer you a refund on the training. So that is a low risk, high reward exchange right there. I think it's really a great deal, the opportunity to take a chance at doing something that will change your life, whether you want to do this full-time or part-time. That's strictly up to you. If you do it part-time, you keep your day job and you do this part-time, it's a nice little extra income that you can take with you. And the knowledge you're going to gain from this is something that nobody can ever take away from you. So really, again, it is a very low risk, high reward exchange right here that we're offering. So check us out at www.charttradingpros.com for more information. Check us out live in our chart room. We'll show you how to open a demo account if you don't have one, or if you already have a live account, you know, you can follow along that way as well. So any information that we can provide to help you, we're here for you. Just contact us either through our website or through the chart room, and we can go from there. So thanks again. This is Sam from Chart Trading Pros, wishing you good luck trading, and we'll see you hopefully in our chart room soon. Thanks, and have a great day.